Right, so in your kit you receive a unit and you receive one of our adapters. Now the adapter plugs in to there. Okay, doesn't really matter which way it goes round at the moment, because until you actually go to plug it in the car you're not going to know which way is the right way. And what I'm going to show you now is how to convert this adapter so that it fits into your vehicle. So we're going to take the adapter, and on the adapter you can see these little black tabs here. And all you're going to do is you're going to take something small like this, or a tiny little screwdriver, and you're going to get in there and you're going to get it underneath these little black plastic tabs. And all you're going to do is bend the black plastic tab upwards. And as you can see, once it's bent upwards, this cable will then allow you to remove it. Simple as that. Make sure you do that on both sides. Now you might be asking yourself, why don't CEUK just do this for me? And the reason why we don't do it is because these can be a bit fragile and they might get damaged in transit. So it's far safer for us to post it out to you as one complete piece so that they are safe and that they don't get damaged. So to start, you need to take this one out. You're going to get a small screwdriver like so, pop it in that side and out she pops. Once you've done that, you can see here there's a plug, squeeze, and then that'll pull out. I think I'm going to need two hands now, I've done it there. So you squeeze that and out she pulls. Pop that to one side. So this is really straightforward. All you need to do is take the two pins and plug them in. Now as you can see, the red pin goes to the purple, the black pin goes to the white. Once you've plugged that in, you're going to tuck this cable up out the way and you're just going to pop that back in like normal. Job done.